Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube Creator Studio. Now as you can see, I'm in youtube.com, and you want to go ahead and first sign into your account. Now I'm going to sign in into my account, so all I have to do is just simply click on my YouTube profile on the upper right hand side, and then I will see YouTube Studio. Now once I go into YouTube Studio, that will show as well in light mode, as you can see here. Now from here guys, in order to put this within the dark mode, all I have to do is just click the profile icon on the upper right hand side again, and you will see appearance. Now if you look here, it is currently saying light. Now if I click on that, you have the option to use from your device theme. So if your computer is in dark mode, you can choose this option, or you can simply click on dark theme. Now once I click on dark theme, you can see immediately that my YouTube Studio is now in dark mode. And that's it guys, that's how you enable dark mode on YouTube Creator Studio on your PC. That's how you enable dark mode on your YouTube Creator Studio. Very easy and very simple guys.